Thunderstorm Watch number 132, effective until 2 a.m. Central. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Hughes, Lincoln, Okfuskee, Potawatomi, and Seminole. Remember,
what the fuck?
Watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including
what did that come from?
Winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my god! And I'm pretty sure WXK85 is gonna go off.
This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, fire weather, low humidity, gusty winds, and warm temperatures will create elevated to near critical wildfire conditions across western Oklahoma and western North Texas. A red flag warning is in effect for these areas. Use caution to prevent the start or spread of fire.
What risk are we in?
Thunderstorms are possible tonight across portions of northern and eastern Oklahoma. A few strong to severe thunderstorms may develop. Generally,
my area isn't a freaking marginal risk, and we got a severe thunderstorm watch. What the hell?
Support the risk of golf ball size hail and perhaps 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The most likely time for severe storms will be between 10 p.m. Friday and 3 a.m. Saturday. Days 2 through 7.
Holy shit.
Saturday through Thursday. Thunderstorm chances continue Saturday through Sunday, mainly across eastern Oklahoma. The potential for severe weather is low on these days. Thunderstorms will again be possible Tuesday through Thursday of next week. Elevated fire weather conditions are expected on Tuesday afternoon with warm and breezy conditions. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. Thunderstorm Watch number 132, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Lincoln, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Portions of northern Lincoln County through 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over.
Alright, let's go to my radar. Let's go to the radar scope. As you can see, oh, god freaking dang. How bad is this? Dang it, Memphis, why do you have a hail fetish? Anyways. What the frick? What the? What's this a public information statement for? Oh. Oh dear God, I'm scared for the one that's in Walnut Ridge. I think this one might be an EF5.